on your sheets.
This bed. I want old one.
Alrighty, welcome in to my son's bedroom. This is in our new house. And so, as you know, we are going to be giving a little lift, a little facelift, a little makeover to this room. And so, I'm going to be doing like a 3/4 wall right here. And I already made a few marks on the wall. I did it with pin, which is a bad idea. My laser was broken, so I just used my thing like this. I guess I go this way. Just gonna go this way. And so for this bedroom makeover, I wanted to stay with something kind of simple and something fast because we're doing this for a surprise for our son. And it's gonna be nice in here, but I want it to be kind of nice, masculine, but also kid rooms, but a little bit more mature than just super colorful. So I can show you some of my design inspiration on Pinterest. Hopefully I can get the line straight. I know it's not gonna be completely straight, but hopefully I can get it straight enough so it looks good. Alright, my son just got home, so I gotta get out of here. See you on a few. Okay, he's currently downstairs, so I'm just gonna try to tape the wall here so that I can just have another step done before tomorrow. Birthday's tomorrow, but Kristen's gonna take them to the gym in the morning, and then I'm gonna stay here and paint and do the whole room, so. There you go, looking pretty straight. Trying to make sure that the line is crisp so that the paint doesn't seep through. What do you think? Is that a good distance for you?
I think that's good.
Cool. Alright, can I? Welcome back to the next day. It is Saturday, which means that it's Xander's birthday, and they just left. So we are now trying to rush around and get all of his stuff set up. As you can tell, the lines are up, but yesterday I came in here after I had put up the lines and they had fallen down. So I don't know what that's about. Maybe the tape sucks, but I need to make sure that's all good to go now. But let's jump into cleaning this room up so we can paint.
Let's go dancing in the city lights, city lights.
Now for
Gonna be no better time. I'm feeling high and you know we gotta go.
So we are using Global Green Bear interior paint. Oh, I'll probably have to do 2 coats. I don't think I'll have enough time for 2 coats, but I will try. But we're gonna put most of the pictures over on this wall. I think I'm gonna do this wall first. I'm really hoping this color works out because my wife and I were disagreeing on the color. She wanted something more like, what was it? It was like kind of brighter, yellowy. It was like kind of throwy, but we've never seen it on his walls. And so this is like a beige grayish color. So I hope it all works together. I hope this color doesn't look ugly. And then again, he's 3, so it doesn't really matter. Right here, it looks kind of like army green. Yeah, it looks kind of like army-ish green, light army green, not dark. Which is kind of nice. It's going for like a vintagey vibe. I need to open the windows in here so it doesn't smell like straight buns. I think it looks good. Alrighty, let's go on. That should be enough. It got stuck. Alright, to paint.
I'm on the run, I've got no alibi for what I've done. Took what you treasure and I'm never gonna give it up. I left these empty streets and hide within the shadows. You think I'm low, but you don't know how low I'll go.
Alright, let's do some trimming. Alrighty, we are finished painting, kind of. Probably a little bit of paint on this tarp, so make sure you fold it in and don't spread it all around. Alright, we got him a bed at IKEA, but we bought it from Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace. Oh yeah, I also gotta get the rug in too. So gotta make sure I get that in. Look, and there's these little knobs right there and over there. It's supposed to hold it in right there and down here too. Thought I was missing a piece, but it's just for stabilization. Now we're gonna do a little vacuum in here. Alrighty, I just found a paint stain. Goodness. I think I got it. See it? A little bit right there. This is for my 3-year-old, and so it doesn't really matter. We're just kind of doing it for fun, and you know, he's 3, and so he likes stuff for 5 minutes at a time. But the plan is to put a rug down, make it just feel kind of cozy, playful. But we were originally gonna put his bed on this wall, right behind me here, because this is the biggest wall in the room that faces the window, and put the bed straight out like this. But since his bed was in this corner here, and we had like and we had the bed on the floor, we used to like wrestle, and he played in the window, and so I think one is we don't have a wrestling match, which is disappointing. So we're gonna get some cushions at some point. Follow along in the channel to find out what we get, because there's some cool stuff out there. But I think we're gonna put the bed in this corner, and so we're gonna just center. We're gonna like put the rug there, put the bed on top, and then figure out the decorations from that. So we'll see how it looks. It might not be like Pinterest worthy, but you know, that's not what it's really for. And this rug was in our old living room, and it's brighter. We have a darker rug that we used in our old bedroom that's in the garage, but we wanted this to be lighter, not super dark, which is why my wife and I were fighting about the paint colors. We weren't fighting. We just couldn't decide what we wanted to do. But I think this will be good. This rug will be nice here. I think it's 7 by 9. Now it's time to rebuild the wall. Hopefully this doesn't look completely awful. Okay, couple spots. Couple spots already. Couple spots. Ay. Okay, not super crispy. Very not crispy. Oh man. Not very good. That's okay. I mean, it's not the worst I've ever seen. I guess this tape is just kind of booty duty. We're gonna have to live with it because we're on a time crunch and don't really care to go to the store and get some more right this second. Looks good from a distance. Looks good for a kid's room. You know. Oh yeah, boy. Alrighty, I have a lot of the room done. I have the paint done, which is a lot, and I still need to do photos, but the paint is still drying, and I've got like 45 minutes maybe. I don't know if the paint's gonna dry. There's like some spots, you know, where you put it on like a little bit thicker, or I did like a little partial second coat where it's not completely dry yet, and you can see the spots. So like even over here, that's wet still, Like around here is a little still wet and over there. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna make the time or not. I guess I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes and then see if there are spots where I can hang stuff. The children are here. I bought some stuff from Etsy where you can like download from it. So it's like $10 for the art. And I actually made this one. And then you download it, send it to a printer. And so I spent a little bit of money on prints. I think I bought this and they sent this to me. So this wasn't a print yourself one, but it looks really nice. And then I bought some frames. So I had to spending down a little bit because I was spending too much on artwork. Together, I can do a breakdown of the budget in a second. And we got these clothespins here on Amazon. Can you see that? Boop, boop. It's got a little sticky thing. So I'm gonna hang up some of these. Yeah, those are pretty tight. All right, let's bring in the boy. All right, I'm ready.
It's your new room.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Hey, Daddy, what?
I know, who's that?
Singer.
That's right.
What?
Fire.
Brand new light that looks like a little house.
See anything?
And look at your sheets that you have. What's on your sheets?
This bed.
Fun bed for Xan. That's so fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Steven.
Oh.
It's your birthday. Oh my goodness. Did you do it?
What was the verdict?
He likes it. It's funny because he just gets so fixated on like the definition of what a surprise means, and he thinks it's gonna be a toy wrapped. I think it was a little disappointing that he got a more grand surprise, which was a whole room makeover. So
Yeah, yeah.
it's hard.
It's very hard.
I'd be really mad too if somebody redid my whole room. So if you've seen our other YouTube videos, I was not mad.
Cue
at all.
the old master bedroom surprise.
You can just check that out here.
And subscribe.
Subscribe here.
And
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?